Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the last diecast review of the day. Is Kevin Harvick's number 17 Hunt Brothers Pizza Ford F-150 stock truck. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the review here. So in the front, you got Ford F-150 number 17 Camping World Truck Series Hunt Brothers Pizza. On the side here, you got contingency sponsors: NASCAR Race Truck, Mobile One, Camping World Truck Series. Much of other contingency sponsors there. Not on the deck lid except for the Hunt Brothers logo. Got some on the side of the door panel. Then you got Kevin Harvick's signature there. Then you got the 17 Brothers. Same on the side here. On the back, got Hunt Brothers on both sides. And you got the Ford, and it's actually on the spoiler too. It's only one placement. They probably could have placed it on both sides, but it's fine. So with Kevin Harvick's racing history, he started way back in 2001 after. So for those of you who don't know, Kevin Harvick, after Dale Earnhardt's passing in 2001, after the Daytona 500, Richard Childress actually hired Kevin Harvick to race his car as a replacement. So. However, though, they did change the car a little bit because they changed the paint scheme to red and white rather than just being all black, and they did a number change too. They changed it to 3 to 29. So. Yeah, they changed the car a little bit for him. But, honestly, it would have been cool to still see the black number 3 in the early 2000s when Kevin Harvick was driving it. But it's for purposes, so that I understand. So yeah, Kevin Harvick raced the 29 car for several seasons. And when Goodwrench lost sponsorship in NASCAR, I believe, towards the end of 2006, I think, Shell Pennzoil started to sponsor Kevin Harvick for some time until they moved over to Team Penske in the 2010s. And then Budweiser was Kevin Harvick's sponsor for some time. Then he raced some Xfinity races, Xfinity/Nationwide Series races, and he also raced some truck races too. I actually believe he owns a racing company because excuse me. In a video that I watched, the driver Ron Hornaday Jr., he is apparently a Harvick driver because of it was actually a video with Kyle Busch against other different drivers, and yeah, when I saw that part where Kyle Busch wrecked Ron Hornaday Jr. in the Texas truck race. It's told that Ron Hornaday Jr. was a Harvick driver, so yeah. So I believe Kevin Harvick owned a racing company for the truck series. So yeah, and Yeah, he raced for Richard Childress for several seasons until after 2013 when he moved over to Stuart Haas and drove the 4. And Budweiser followed him until about 2016, 2017 when they lost the sponsorship. And now Kevin Harvick's current sponsors are Hunt Brothers Pizza, Mobile One, and Busch Light Beer. So, yeah, those are his primary sponsors. So, yeah, and he's still racing the 4 car. I have seen on YouTube where there may be some speculations of retirement after the 2022 season. Now, with Kevin Harvick, he, to me, is a good driver considering he drove for Dale Earnhardt after his passing. But I'm a Chase Elliott fan, and I understand the little heated situation that he and Kevin Harvick got into at Bristol last year. So yeah, I understand that, but I honestly prefer Chase Elliott better. But still, I think Kevin Harvick's a good driver for the most part. Yeah, now I don't think he really races in the truck series anymore. He probably still owns a truck company, well, a racing company for the truck series, but he probably doesn't race in the truck series anymore. So yeah, I think that would just about do it for this diecast review. So if you liked all of those videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.